I am Lauren from Minerva and I am so excited to share these gorgeous fabrics with you today. I have a whole bundle of exclusive Minerva fabrics. They are all viscose challis fabrics, which are amazing for a whole range of things: dresses, blouses, jumpsuits, you name it, they're wonderful. And what I really love about these is that they're such incredible quality. They've got such a nice weight and body to them, so even with the lighter colours, it's unlikely you'd need to even line them. They're just spot on. They're absolutely amazing and they are so gorgeous. I can't even tell you the colours and the prints on these. So I'm going to show you these fabrics. I'm going to give you a few ideas of different patterns you might want to try them with, and oh my goodness, I can't wait to see what you make up with them because they're just stunning. I think I'm going to need to make an entire new wardrobe with all of these. I'm just in love. Let's have a look at a few, shall we? Okay, so these ones are particularly ideal for tops, so for blouses and smock tops. They're just stunning. Look at the patterns on there. And even the paler ones, like I say, because of the lovely weight and body of them, they wouldn't need lining and they'll still give you good coverage. They're still nice and opaque, so they're just beautiful. And you can really tell how many different pattern designers have been involved in this because they're just all so unique and so different. Look at that gorgeous design there. I love these ones with the animals on. I really love them. So you've got all sorts of designs, all sorts of colours, all sorts of patterns. How gorgeous is this with the bees on? How lovely is that? So they would be perfect for blouses. So the McCall's pattern 6971 would be ideal for this because it has a tie waist, or you can have it a longer length, and it's just a really nice floaty drapey top, which would be ideal for these fabrics. And another one I really want to try with, especially with this bee fabric, is the Tilly and the Buttons Indigo Smock, which is really gorgeous. I love the exposed seams and things like that, and it's again really lovely floaty drapey. You can have it as a top or a dress. It would just be perfect for these lovely materials because they're so soft and silky and really lend themselves well to those tops. So they are beautiful for all sorts of tops and blouses. Let me show you some that would be ideal for jumpsuits. So these next ones I think would be perfect for jumpsuits. I love this. I'm a bit partial to some animal print. But look at the colours on this, aren't they just gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. And this will be great all year round as well. It's got the lovely bright pink in there too. Just stunning. If you're looking for something in a slightly lighter colour, this one is stunning too. Opaque and beautiful, beautifully soft. I could just stroke these all day long. They're so soft, they're really lovely. There's also, I think this one, next one actually might be my favourite. I'm obsessed with this print here. It's a bit sprinkly, a bit pebbly, but such gorgeous, gorgeous colours in there. This would be perfect for the True Bias jumpsuit, which again, you can have different options for. You can have it as the jumpsuit version or the dress or a top. You can mix and match different bits of it. You can add belts, you can do all sorts with it. So it's just really, really just would be stunning for that. You could also have it as a really dressy version. You can dress it up too, and I think this would be great as a daytime to evening fabric. And of course a floral. I have to show you a floral, don't I? And look at that, the colours on there. Those blues are just gorgeous. These Minerva Exclusive fabrics are just some of the best quality I've used. I just can't choose. I know I said that one was my favourite. I actually can't choose because everyone I pick up I go, oh no, actually I really like this one. They're just all so gorgeous. Let me show you some that would make beautiful dresses. So one of my favourite dress patterns is Simplicity 8875. It's just so elegant. Again, there's different ways you can change it up to suit different occasions, and all of these fabrics, all of them in fact, would look gorgeous in the Simplicity dress. It's just one of my favourites. I love it so much. And this love leopard print would just be stunning in that dress. Look at the little love hearts, they're so cute. They're so cute. And viscose is brilliant because it derives from wood pulp. So it's a natural fabric, which means that it's so breathable, even more so than cotton. So it just makes the perfect dress fabric for keeping you nice and cool when you're out and about as well. I love this one. Can you see what I mean now when I talk about how many beautiful different prints and colours and pattern designers were involved in creating these exclusive fabrics? I have another animal print one here. And this one is a little bit different. I've got an abstract sort of design there. Again, they would all work beautifully as dresses or even as jumpsuits, blouses, all sorts. So they are just gorgeous. Now, these last ones I want to show you are my all-rounders, because you know what, when I was sorting out what I was going to show you, I just couldn't decide which pile to put these in, because I just love them and I think they would work for a whole host of things. So let me show you. So these are my all-rounders, and they're just gorgeous, gorgeous prints as always with all of these fabrics. This one is a much smaller print than some of the others, so it might lend itself really well to a blouse, or a little cami top would be really cute in that, and again nice and drapey, nice and floaty. This one is a larger print, so would be really great jumpsuits, dresses, or some lovely summer trousers like palazzo pants. Would be gorgeous in that one. This one I really love because it almost feels a little bit retro. Feels a bit 80s, doesn't it? The colours are gorgeous, of course, and this would be great, I think, for a long smock top or a midi dress. Would be really, really lovely. We've got this as well. Isn't the range of prints just incredible? I really love that. So I've not seen anything like this before. I think it's so unique. This one is, oh, I have to make loads in this because just look at it. Isn't that stunning? I can't even decide what to make. I just keep looking at it and go, oh, that would be the perfect dress, it would be perfect this, it would be perfect for that. It's just beautiful. And again, a lovely and opaque, nice and breathable, lovely and soft and silky, gorgeous. Another animal print one here, but this is all pinky tones and reds. We've got a bit of purple in there. This would make a lovely sort of more fitted dress, I think. And last but not least is the most colourful one, and oh my goodness, I love it. Look at this big patchwork dress. Isn't that gorgeous? What would you make from this? Make sure you do leave a comment and let me know. I'd love to know what you're making from it. And don't forget, of course, to pop along to share your creations on the Minerva Craft Club, because it's just, there's so much inspiration on this. If you're still not sure what to make after some of these ideas I've shown you, have a look on there for the exclusive Minerva fabrics. You will get so many ideas. The community is incredibly creative and it's such a brilliant place to get inspiration and of course share your own creations too. It's such a wonderful community of crafters. So do get involved there, do have a look, check it out, and search for the hashtags and have a look for some of the viscose jelly fabrics on there, and you will be amazed at all the different things people are making. I can't wait to see what you get up to too. I'm off to go and make a final decision about my first outfit I'm going to make from these viscose jelly fabrics. Tough decision, isn't it? I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.